Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to see comments on the X app, previously known as Twitter. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a quick refresher, this updated walkthrough will make sure you never miss out on the conversations happening under your posts. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open the X app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal space on the platform, where all your tweets are neatly listed. Once you're on your profile, find the tweet you'd like to check. Just scroll through your timeline until you spot the one you're interested in. Tap directly on that tweet to open it up. This step is important because tapping the tweet not only displays it in a larger format, but also unlocks the full thread of interactions connected to it. Now, here comes the part you're really waiting for. Simply scroll down right below the tweet. This is where you'll see all the comments and replies from other users. Every response that's been added to your tweet appears here in chronological order. You can read through them, reply back, like them, or even retweet individual comments if you want to share them further. One thing to keep in mind is that what you see includes both direct replies and longer discussions that branch off from your original tweet. This makes it a great way to join conversations, understand feedback, or just engage with your audience in real time. The X app makes it seamless to interact, whether you're responding to a quick comment or starting a larger dialogue, and that's really all it takes. Open the app, head to your profile, select your tweet, and scroll below it to explore every single comment. Simple, fast, and effective. Now you know exactly how to stay on top of the conversations that matter most to you. Stay engaged, stay connected, and keep sharing your voice on X.